Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video I'm just going to show you how to download and install a custom ROM, Fission actually to be precise, onto your Droid 2 Global. This is the same process that works for the Droid X and the Droid 2, but I'm specifically making this video for the Droid 2 Global. Now, before anything guys, you're going to need to have two requirements. First thing you need to have is you need to have this app right here, Droid 2 Bootstrap, and you also need to have Fission ROM Manager Lite. Now you don't necessarily need to buy these. Fission ROM Manager Lite isn't actually you don't have to pay for it, but the Droid 2 Bootstrap up here you do have to pay for it. Now I did pay for mine, but you can just go to ForShared, the application ForShared, or just go online to ForShared and download the APK, and it'll serve the same purpose and it'll be for free. So just in case you guys want to save a couple bucks, you know. As for the Fission ROM Manager Lite, that app right here, you can also do the same thing. You can also download it in ForShared, or you can just go to the teamdefuse. That's their site. That's who made this Fission ROM Manager application. You can just download it from there. There's a paid version and a free version. It's just your choice on if you want to pay or to buy. I mean, if you want it to pay or to be free. So let's get into the tutorial. So first thing, just go to first things first. You need to do this, or else this is probably the most critical step you need to take. You need to open up Droid 2 Bootstrap and make sure you click Bootstrap Recovery. It's gonna ask you, if it's the first time you did this, it's gonna ask you for super user permissions. Just click allow, and then it's just gonna say success. So just tap success. Come on, there you go. Alright, so once that's done, you can just back out and then go back, to your app tray, and then go to Fission ROM Manager. Alright, so once this is here, you're gonna want to click list downloads, and then it's gonna check for all the available downloads, and it's gonna give you a big list of them. Like I said, this tutorial is specifically for the Droid 2 Global, but it'll also work for the Droid 2 regular and the Droid X, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm not so sure about the Droid X actually. Probably does though. I don't know. But anyways, so right here, Fission ROM 2.4.3 for the Droid 2 Global. You're gonna want to click it, and if it's the first time, it's gonna start downloading. Once it starts downloading, it's gonna ask you if you want to install to queue. Just click yes, and then after that, you'll have this right here, and it'll ask you to say install queue. Simply, all you gotta do is tap install queue, and then you can either create a backup before you install, which is highly recommended, or you could just it's highly recommended you create a backup just in case anything goes wrong, or you just want to go back to the stock ROM. Just simply go ahead and do this. So another thing you can also do, you can also choose to wipe your data, wipe your cache, or wipe your cache and data. So basically, you can wipe your cache or data. I prefer, if this is a clean install, to wipe both. Just do that. Trust me, it's good. I'm not going to create a backup because I already have a backup for my stock ROM, and it's not needed for me. But it might be needed for you. Sorry guys, I'm stuttering. It's like 11 o'clock here in Hawaii. There's some lights from my hotel room. Just thought I'd make a video for you guys. I'm bored. But anyways, click install. Alright, so once you click install, it's gonna go through the whole process of booting up into the recovery, and then it's just basically gonna do its thing, you know. So here's the Motorola logo. Obviously, don't need to tell you guys that. It's obviously there. There you go. That's kind of a good angle. I'm using my iPhone 3GS. And there's my 4th gen iPhone. Oh shit, you can't see. Anyways, here you go. It's going through the whole process, and here you go. Droid 2 Global 2.4.3 teamdefuse. It's going to be a long, well, not really a long video, just a video. So I want to show you guys all the steps and everything, make sure you guys know what to do, because I'm here for the viewers, you know? It's all about the viewers at the end of the day. So, although I'm probably not going to have any, who gives a fuck? But anyways, here you go. So Droid 2 Global 2.4 teamdefuse, teamdefuse.com. There you go. It's gonna say install complete once it's done, and if you click wipe cache and data, which is recommended, it's gonna wipe the cache and data, basically making it a brand new phone, kinda. You can get your applications, everything back if you back them up or something. I don't care, honestly, because I'm always switching ROMs. I could not give a shit. But anyways, here you go. And then it's gonna get a, since it's fission, it's gonna have a custom boot, not the regular droid. It's gonna be custom. Alright, so it's probably gonna be about a 7-minute video, depending on everything, how everything goes. So there you go. Here's the custom boot. Now, basically, a good sign for if you flashed the ROM correctly, a good sign that everything was okay and that you did all the steps correctly and that you followed not my orders, but kind of instructions. That you made sure everything was okay. You would have basically your phone vibrate just like a tad, just like a second, like boom, like that's it. And then the little touch-sensitive lights on the bottom come show up. So since this is basically a first boot, as if it was a new phone, it's gonna take about another, I don't know, 10-20 seconds, and then it's just gonna load up into the setup as if you just had a new phone. So I'm hoping it's gonna be about another 20 seconds. And usually when you install it, a fission ROM particularly, there are no boot loops, so you have no issues of boot looping. But anyway, so my phone just did like a little tap vibrate, and so now I know that's a really good sign that it worked. And there you go. Welcome to Droid 2 Global. Touch the Android to begin. There you go. So this is focus camera. You suck, iPhone. But there you go. So there it is. Touch Droid to begin. Alright guys, have a good day.